Today I'll be showing you how to take apart a Wii controller step by step. This one doesn't need cleaning, so we won't be cleaning this one unless it needs it. This is purely just taking it apart and putting it back together. What to undo, what to do up, where to put your pry tools, all that kind of thing. So let's get crack on with it. So I'll take the battery cover off. See on this one, the battery terminals themselves are fine. They look brand new, so we're not going to mess with those. This is a Y 2.3 bit. Probably won't focus, but it's a Y 2.3. But there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3. I wasn't in shot there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll take them out. So that's 4 screws out, and now you can undo it. So you get your little pry tool. Get a little pry tool and just put it down the side of here. There's like 2 clips here and here. So if you hold it this way, the buttons don't fall out. Even though they do fall out anyway. So there's then once we'll put the buttons back in. You can only go in one way, so you can't get it wrong. You've got little knobs to put them back in again. I'll put them back in again. And if you put these rubber bits on, it'll help you put it back in. That power buttons need to spin it round. Show you a little flat head to spin it around. Can't see what I'm doing. It is rather fiddly. If you're a bit more careful on doing it, they don't go everywhere. That was all the buttons back in there. So then you can take this board out. Put that back in there. So this is where you take your battery terminals. So you put a flathead screwdriver, a little flat screwdriver inside there and lift it up and they come out. And there's one, sometimes this gets stuck in the board, in the controller. Which again, you can just pull it out with a flathead screwdriver or something. But this board looks fine, there's nothing wrong with this board. So we'll put it back together. So put that back in there. Again, if you put it upside down, or don't forget to put your little speaker back in. So put it upside down, all the buttons don't fall out when you clip it back together. So it just snaps back together. Put your 4 screws back in. 4 screws back in. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you'd like to see me do anything else, feel free to let me task me, and I'll try and do a video on it. I'll try and do videos as I get the requests. And that's back together, so I'll put some batteries in it. And you can see it works. So, if there's anything else you'd like to see me take to bits or show you how to take to bits, let me know. And I'll do another step-by-step instruction on how to do that as well. And that's a Wii controller taken 2 bits, put back together. So easy to do. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one.